south on the road. It's caught air. Okay, go down this road. Hold on. In front of Blake. Oh, right there, right there. See him? See him? See him? Oh, there he is! Got a rope. Turn around, turn around. Come on. Here he is, there he is. Okay, cut him on this side. Cut him off. Get out. Get out. He's going, gun. He shoots. They're in the way. Look out. Get in. Get in, get in. In the vehicle. They got it. Look out, it's alright. Go. Is he on the run? He's on the road. Where is he? Right there, right there! Get. Yeah, stop. You want to shoot him? Here, get in. Get in, Matt. Hurry! Get in! Hurry! We missed him! I didn't even have a shot. There he is. He's running slow. Okay, let's let him get in the open. Okay, get him. I can't even see him. Okay, let's go. He's dead. You see him? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Over. Then I'll take him. Here, shoot him, Dad. You can get him. Drive. Nice. Look out for Blake. I got him. Are those tires have air in them? This one looks low. Gotcha, can you hear us?
get it figured out, Matt?
What?
Let's see.
Yeah, it's
Is
fine.
it shooting?
Yeah, I just
Yeah, so it's like jump out, boom,
Yeah,
boom, boom,
dude.
boom, back in.
No one could shoot it, and I had to shoot it while I was driving. I can't get it in the thing.
It's just not very accurate.
Yeah, it was wounded, but we got it.
Shot it in the leg.
Is it off?